Is it possible to trick the narcissist? 5 ways that might make it possible. Hi everyone, tricking the narcissist is possible if you put your mind to it. The narcissist might feel that they have it all figured out, but with some carefully planned out tricks, you can make the narcissist work for you while thinking they're in charge. If you're dealing with a narcissist and don't know how to shake them off, here are 5 ways that you can trick them into believing that they are still in control.
But before that, don't forget to smash that like button below, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when new content is released.
1. Believe in yourself. Well, you have to be confident with yourself. If you want to succeed in tricking the narcissist, then believe in yourself. Being with the narcissist can kill your self-esteem. But when you can believe in yourself, build your self-confidence to do it, which shows that you're ready to deal with anything that could happen. Even while you believe in developing self-belief, you have to make sure that the narcissist doesn't perceive it not to take heed. You have to continue acting as it has always been while you build your self-belief. 2. Understand them. You have to come to terms with the fact that the narcissist has a problem. You know that they have an over-bloated ego. You have to understand that the higher the narcissist flies, the more painful their fall will be. That they're not so powerful as they perceive themselves to be. All you need to do is know what their narcissistic supply is, know those things that you do that give them edges over you, and once that is gotten, you can use it against them. You continue to make them feel like they're in charge, whereas they are being fooled. 3. Do not buy into their emotional plot. Always remember that no one can love you the way you love yourself. The narcissist will always want to get under your skin, and they will always do things to get you upset. Knowing this, it's easy to trick the narcissist into believing that they're in charge by acting as if you're buying into their emotional blame games, whereas it's only a front. Love yourself and never allow their plots to work on you because you are the best version of yourself. 4. Barter them. Bartering in this context means trying to make the narcissist feel like they're in control. You already know the things that make them feel all important, and you try to do those things so that you can feed their ego and make them feel important. By that, you can be able to trick them into doing things for you. For example, if you want a narcissist to help you with the laundry, you praise them for how they are far better than you when doing the laundry. This praise will make them feel more important than you, but they don't realise that you have succeeded in tricking them into doing the laundry without much stress. 5. Invest in yourself. This is one thing that you have to do secretly if you want to succeed. Immediately you're ready to start using the narcissist, start investing in yourself, join groups that can help you, read books and get a new hobby. By doing these, you prepare yourself for when the narcissist gets tired of you, because eventually they will. But when you're prepared, you won't fall into the trap of coming to beg them to take you back, because you would be fully ready to move on without them, which will leave them completely astonished.
So what do you think of this video? Do you think this information is accurate and helpful? Don't hesitate to write down your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell to follow our subsequent video updates. We'll meet again in the next video.